When it comes to custom motorcycle craftsmanship, few names command as much respect as FCR Original, and their latest masterpiece, based on a 1975 Norton Commando 850, might just be their finest work yet. This isn't just another Café racer build. This is a stunning blend of retro charm, mechanical precision, and contemporary artistry. Every inch of this bike screams perfection, and the deeper you look, the more jaw-dropping details you'll uncover. Let's start with the design, the very first thing to steal your attention. The classic British twin has been completely redressed in handcrafted aluminum bodywork, giving it a sleek, lightweight, and timeless silhouette. The low and narrow fuel tank, complete with a leather strap running across the top, sets the tone for what's a beautifully minimal yet aggressive aesthetic. The front end is kept clean with a compact fender, while the rear gets a bespoke Café racer tail section, mounted on a custom-built subframe and finished with a solo black leather saddle. At the back, you'll find tiny dual-function LED lights subtly integrated under the tail, keeping the lines clean and modern. Even the license plate has been thoughtfully relocated to a swing arm-mounted bracket on the left side for maximum visual balance. Up front, the bike features a Bates-style headlight, flanked by small, custom-mounted LED turn signals. The cockpit is where minimalism meets sophistication. Clip-on handlebars are fitted with CNC machine switches and black grips, while the centerpiece is a Moto Gadget Motoscope tiny speedometer, held by an FCR Original bracket. This tiny yet powerful display adds a tech-savvy vibe without disrupting the bike's vintage soul. Now let's talk about performance upgrades, because FCR didn't just stop at making it look good. The suspension system has been modernized with fully adjustable shocks at the rear and Seriani forks up front, held in place by custom triple clamps. These changes dramatically improve handling while keeping the bike grounded in its vintage roots. The wheels have been given a complete makeover with custom-built hubs, stainless steel spokes, and 18-inch Barani rims wrapped in vintage-style tires. Braking performance is now top-tier thanks to ABM calipers and drilled rotors on both ends, ensuring modern-day stopping power. Of course, a build like this wouldn't be complete without some serious love for the heart of the machine, the parallel twin-cylinder engine. FCR Original went all in with a full rebuild, ensuring mechanical reliability and smooth power delivery. But what really makes the motor sing is the custom-fabricated exhaust system, which flows gracefully into a set of vertically stacked slash-cut mufflers. It's loud, aggressive, and absolutely gorgeous to look at. Despite the custom nature of this Café racer, FCR Original has made sure it's fully street legal, including all the necessary lighting and regulatory elements. That level of practicality is rare in show-stopping customs, but it's what sets FCR Original apart. They build machines you can actually ride, not just admire in a showroom. In the world of custom motorcycles, this Norton Commando 850 isn't just a build, it's a statement of passion, precision, and timeless design. FCR Original continues to push boundaries, and with this latest Café racer, they've delivered yet another rolling piece of art that honors history while blazing a trail into the future.